Today I am going to talk about the variable, like built-in variable and user-defined variable. Go to the variable section, it's loading. Go to the configure, then this is the built-in variable. Just you need to enable them. You cannot change this variable, just enable. Okay, done. Okay, you can see here, this is the built-in variable and it's coming. Which one I enable? Okay, next user defined variable. Okay, go to the new. Here you can select one as per your need. Because sometimes built-in variables are not enough, and that's why user defined variables counts, like data layer variable, javascript variable. As per your requirement, you can choose your own. Variables are the backbone of GTM, making your tracking accurate and powerful. If you have any question, just comment below.